Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Winter Woods bundle. Now you're going to see a lot of inspiration coming your way using this bundle because this last weekend I was working on my next online class, which is featuring the Winter Woods bundle and Into the Woods framelit dies, and I came up with seriously a ton of ideas. So for the next week or so, I'm going to be concentrating on Winter Woods, but in case you're interested in taking the class from me, it's $78 plus your province's tax. And again, I will have all the information on my blog. I'll put the link in the description bar of this video so you can just click on it and get the information you need. All right, so I'm starting off with Whisper White Thick cardstock and the Delicate Surface Frog Tape. I've got this at Rona, which is a hardware store here in Canada. And what I'm doing actually is putting it on my arm a couple of times, and I'm neutralizing the stickiness of the tape. I have found that this particular tape is actually better than any other painter's tape, but it's still, I have ripped my paper with it, especially on the edges. So if you just neutralize the stickiness, you're good to go. You can also use your pant leg or something like that. I find what I do there is pick up cat hair, so that's not right for me. All right, so I just have a sponge here and I'm dipping it into Balmy Blue, dipping it off onto my little plastic sheet here and picking up the ink. I like to dab off so that I don't put too much on. All right, so this is a little bowl and I just put clean, clear water. Now I'm flicking on the water onto my ink. So basically what this is going to do is create little bleach spots on my blue colored rectangle. So now I'm just using the heat part of my heat tool. There's two settings, slow and fast or hot, and I use the slow one. And like I said, I do speed this video up to at least twice its normal speed. So, you know, when I'm taking off the tape, I'm not going super fast. And look at that, nice clean edges. So you can see it was heavier on one side, darker on the other. I'm inking up my spruce tree with, you know, shaded spruce because I think that's kind of like a perfect color for a spruce tree. I'm assuming this is spruce. Then I'm taking my sentiment and inking it up in the same color. I ended up again putting a little bit of water in that little dish. And by the way, I got that at the Chinese food market. It's what you're supposed to put your soy sauce in. All right, so now I have just the paint lid and I'm using that same brush and I'm flicking on little splatters of frost white shimmer paint. I set it off to dry and now I've cut down my little sentiment and I've matted it with some Balmy Blue. And I did actually use my heat tool again just to make sure that those shimmer paint droplets were dry, and when they were, that's when the silver metallic twine came out. Dimensionals went on the back of that Balmy Blue piece, and I just wanted to make sure everything was nice and straight. Really liked how this one turned out. I am using Twinkle adhesive back sequins because they're star shaped, and I thought it was perfect for this card. Anyway, that's my card for today. I see you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.